We are still talking about conditioner, y'all.
I'm genuine Nard, and this is everything I've learned about growing my natural type 4 hair. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and thanks.
First, I want to say my hair is washed and blown out, but I didn't straighten it. So I haven't cut my hair before anyone's like, oh, I haven't cut my hair. It hasn't broken. I just haven't straightened it because sometimes I wear a blowout. I find it's easier to style when my hair has a little bit of texture to it. Anyway, another story. So all this month, we have been talking about conditioner. And last video, I showed you how conditioners get away with putting on the label a product that's not actually in the bottle. And so this week, I'm going to show you how you can use that very same generic conditioner and mix it up so that you have something unique to your hair and just a few ingredients.
So we have our generic store-bought conditioner, and we're thinking about what to add to customize it to our needs. That's going to depend on your hair and your hair goals. The additives that I typically use fall into one of these categories: thickeners, stimulants, humectants, strengtheners, and then general breakage. So let's start with thickeners. Most plant-based oils can give your hair a thickening or plumping coat. One of my favorites is hemp seed oil. It's one of the few oils that can keep your hair from absorbing too much water in the washing process, causing hydro fatigue. Now, if you have high porosity hair, this is really important. It's also packed with polyunsaturated fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6. Your body cannot make these, and we usually don't get enough from supplements. And these are follicle-loving nutrients that promote thickness and density in hair. Eggs are high in protein, which is an essential for your body as well as strong, thick hair. When you use eggs regularly, the treatment will help thicken and strengthen your hair. Now, I use eggs in a pre-poo, but not in a leave-in conditioner. For a leave-in, I would use egg white powder. I love olive oil in my hair. One reason is that it extends the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. Hair that grows for a longer time means longer hair. Olive oil is also rich in omega-3 acids and other nutrients that are essential for overall health, including your hair's health. It promotes thicker hair, and it also softens your hair and relieves a dry scalp. We know aloe vera is one of the best things to apply when you are growing your hair, but it also is a great thickening agent. I use aloe vera water, aloe vera gel, aloe vera powder. It's so good that the conditioner pretended to have it in there. So let's talk about stimulants. These are natural stimulants that work on your follicles to make them work not faster, but at their best rate. The rate of growth is genetic and it doesn't change that much. But if your follicles have been slowed by damage, a stimulant can get them back on track. MSM is a known sulfur-rich compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. There is some conclusive research on how effective it is with hair growth. Now, MSM can form bonds that are essential to strengthening hair and influence hair growth. I put this stuff in everything. My hair loves it. Next is stinging nettles. This African native is the real deal. According to a 2018 study, nettle leaf extract contains high amounts of anti-inflammatories and antioxidants that can stimulate new hair growth. It's loaded with silica and sulfur. Nettle leaves also are rich in minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc, all of which give your follicles a great boost. Now, it's not called stinging nettles for nothing. I'd start small with this one and build up your tolerance. Hibiscus has been studied and is proven to stimulate hair growth, even stimulating dormant follicles. It's loaded with amino acids that build the protein bonds in your hair, and it improves circulation on the scalp. Last but not least is coffee. According to research, the caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. One 2007 study found that caffeine helped block the effects of DHT in male hair follicles. Coffee, I will tell you, is the truth. Next are humectants. You can think of humectants like magnets that attract water. They help your hair draw in water and retain more moisture. But they can be tricky. If the air is drier than your hair, it will dehydrate it. I don't use them as leave-ins in the winter because the air in my area is too dry. Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a natural compound derived from vegetable oils or animal fats. According to a 2016 study, glycerin is the most effective humectant. If I don't see it in the conditioner, I'll either skip the conditioner or I'll add it later. Another great hydrator is honey. It's been a favorite since Bible times. It has a rich antioxidant property that prevents hair damage and it keeps your scalp and your hair healthy. It's also an emollient which softens your hair too. Honey seals in moisture and keeps your hair conditioned. And a little goes a long way. A few drops in a leave-in works wonders. My absolute favorite is aloe vera. Yep, in addition to being a hair thickener, it's also a humectant that works with the environment to draw moisture from the air to keep your hair more hydrated. This is another favorite in the Bible called the miracle plant. And yes, it's a stimulant and a strengthener too. There are a few bona fide hair strengtheners. They either coat your hair or they build up that cuticle so that it's so tough it's unlikely to break or chip. And stronger hair means longer hair. We've learned the secret of rice water. Protein and inositol, or vitamin B8, helps strengthen each follicle and it helps them retain more moisture. Also evidence that inositol helps to reduce the testosterone and balance the hormones in women with PCOS, which may help reverse the thinning hair associated with the condition. Next is bamboo. Now this is packed with silica, a natural trace mineral that has been found to deliver essential nutrients to your scalp and hair follicles. It makes your hair unbelievably strong. In one study in 2016, women had longer, stronger hair after taking 10 milligrams of silica for 9 months. And I'm going to tell you, it's the truth. Fenugreek seeds are next, and they're considered to be one of the most effective remedies to treat hair fall issues according to Ayurveda medicine. They contain large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens hair follicles. They're also rich in iron and protein, essential nutrients for hair growth. And they contain flavonoids. These compounds are being studied for their ability to stimulate hair growth. Now, if you use any of these, you're going to reduce breakage that's caused by poor nutrition. But I left breakage blank because breakage is a big subject that we're going to talk about. Now, these are just a few of the ingredients you can add to a generic conditioner to make it work for your hair care. And it's super easy to do. Let me show you.
So this is one of my all-time favorites. I'm going to show you how I make it in the next video. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the tribe. But really the options to make a leave-in conditioner from an existing conditioner, they are endless. You can do so many different things. And in the next video, next week, I'm going to show you how to make 3 of my all-time favorites. It's a great way to stretch your dollars, even if you're using a generic conditioner. Okay, and what else am I going to say about that? And that's pretty much it. Really, stretching your dollar is what mixing some of these are all about. And the best way to hydrate your hair is water. So you can never hurt your hair by giving it filtered good water. It loves it if you're natural. And let me know what kind of products you are using. I was talking to my esthetician a couple of days ago, and she told me a product that she uses, and we talked about the trick, the 2-to-1 trick, the 2-to-1 trick, where you dilute any leave-in conditioner, and she said she was going to try it. It's a great thing to do because really expensive leave-in conditioners, right, they make you dig deep in your pocket. So if you can stretch them out with a little bit of water that your hair is going to love, that's a win. All right, so if you like this kind of content, please click like as it scrolls there across your, give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the tribe. You just click that little subscribe box there. I want you to feel like you have a friend on the internet. I want to be a part of your support system until you build a routine that really works for you. And I am wishing you absolute success. So thank you for spending a little time with me this afternoon and have a great rest of your day. All right. Bye.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this one. Tell me how it turned out for you in the comments. Click like, subscribe and ring that bell for all the videos in this playlist, or just view these next two. And thank you again for watching. Alright, that's it.